Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to continue talking about inverse proportions today. Graph. So we're looking back at this information that we had yesterday, number of students and card games. So if one person is playing, they have 120 cards. If two people are playing, they have 60 cards. And if three people are playing, they have 40 cards. So I just graphed those points real quick. So the point 120, 2, 60, and 3, 40. Okay, so if you want to pause the video and get that graph on your paper, that would be great. So the general definitions of an inverse proportion graph: it has to be curved. It's never going to cross 0, 0. So if it's here, it's definitely not inverse. And it's never going to cross either of the axes. So it's not going to cross the x-axis or the y-axis. Okay? So it's not going to like go way below here or anything like that. Okay? Now to find the COP, it's a little bit different than in direct proportion. You get to pick a point on the graph or the table, depending on what you have, and you just multiply x and y together. So if I was looking at this is the point 120. Well, 1 times 120 equals 120, which is my k. So then my equation is xy equals 120, like we talked about yesterday. I could have also done the same thing with this point, because 260, 2 times 60 is 120, right? 3 times 40 is 120. So it doesn't matter which point you pick in inverse proportions, you just multiply the x and y together, and that's your k value. Okay? All right. I believe I have to give you this graph, so let me grab that real fast. All right. So we have the time it takes to clean windows in an office is inversely proportional to the number of cleaners. So I'm going to have 1 through 12 down here at the bottom, so you can draw this graph with me. Okay, and then we're going to count by fours here. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Okay, our first point is going to be 124, and I'm going to label these points as well just so we have them. 212, and then 12, 2. So 2 is right about there. Oh, I guess I'll keep it in pink. All right, sorry, I kind of missed that last point there. I'll just make the point a little bit bigger. All right, so part A says find the COP. Again, COP, we just pick a point. I'll pick the point 212, and we do 2 times 12 equals 24. Okay. And then what does the point 12, 2 mean? Well, this is the number of window cleaners. Sorry, I didn't label this earlier, and this is the number of hours. So the COP means that one person can clean the windows in 24 hours, right? If we're talking about a really big office building, okay? The point 212 would mean, and I'm sorry, I wrote this backwards for both of these. Or no, I did write it correctly. I apologize. I'm second guessing myself. All right, we're looking at the point 212, which I've already circled. Okay, so circle again in pink. So 212 means in 12 hours, 2 people can clean all the windows, right? Or 2 people can clean all the windows in 12 hours. Okay? Or it takes 2 people to do 12 hours. I'm going to write that. 2 people take 12 hours to clean all the windows, and that's a long time, right? So it would be much faster if we have 12 people do it in 2 hours, right? All right, I hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.